Japan confirmed their place at the FIFA U20 World Cup after beating Jordan 2-0 at the AFC U20 Asian Cup quarterfinal on Sunday. The young Samurai Blue will face Iraq at semifinals on Wednesday, March 5th.
Goals from Isa Sakamoto and Naoki Kumata settled the score in the second half as head coach Koichi Togaishi's men delivered an emphatic and confident play on the wet grass. With this win, Japan will join Uzbekistan, South Korea, Iraq, and hosts Indonesia as representatives of Asia for the FIFA U20 World Cup to be held May 2023. It will be the third consecutive time for Japan playing in the World Cup U20. Ducati's reigning world champion Francesco Bagnaia dominated the second and final day of MotoGP preseason testing at Portimao on Sunday.
Despite already topping his own all-time circuit record after just 20 laps of action, Bagnaia bettered himself with a chart-shattering 1 minute 37.968 seconds. Penultimate effort to end the day 3/10 faster than closest challenger Johan Zarco. Fabio Quartararo was the sole rider to upset Ducati's dominance of the top 8 as the Yamaha man placed his YZR M1 into third position as the afternoon wound down.